Hello everyone, I am Harjit Kaur and welcome to In-Depth Discussion with Pune Times Mirror. Following the Nasrapur case, there has been a widespread of anger across India. People are struggling to understand how a 68-year-old man can assault 3.5-year-old child. After committing an assault, he had killed the child. How can a person become so inhuman? There are many questions that are arising in the mind of the humans. To understand this all, with us we have psychologist Saili Pathe. My first question would be, how can a 68-year-old person could be so cruel to abuse a child?
Definitely, the repetitive offenders are not just in a criminal setup, but we can see the repetitive offenders when it's about sexual assault and molestation, especially with the pedophilic, that we can see even over here. Somebody who is prognosed and probably diagnosed with pedophilia based on the repetitive actions and behaviors that the person has executed so far.
Ma'am, my second question would be, after doing such crimes before, already 2 cases has been registered, how can a person can't be scared to do such kind of crimes?
This is quite evident that the person has mental health conditions, not just the sexual disorder or any kind of just a behavioral disorders, but this also shows antisocial personality traits which needed to be addressed quite early and definitely needs to be understood and probably catered or treated in a right way. We can definitely see there are certain kind of an unawareness, not just within the family members or the person itself, but we can see even that kind of an unawareness in the society or in the government, or further to be very much precise, even into the police departments. So when a particular offender or criminal shows same kind of a behavioral pattern,
Can there be a therapy or mental health for such things that has been taken place, or this could help the person to get rid of this?
it has to be addressed by a criminal psychologist. It should have been treated by the psychiatrist, and for a long-term therapeutic treatment along with certain kind of rigorous treatments or medications, this would have been controlled. I won't say that this would have been cured completely because again it's a personality trait. It comes with certain kind of repetitive behavioral and impulsivity along with that, but it could have been much controlled if that was handled on a very niche stage, on a very early stage. It wouldn't have been happen this way. The child would have been saved, and definitely, even if I am explaining the psychological conditions here, that doesn't mean that we justify this heinous behavior or the incident. It has to be treated very seriously. And of course the actions needs to be very strict against this kind of an behavior.
My fourth question would be, are there people who repeatedly commit sexual crimes and this becomes a habitual crimes for them?
But if we want to understand the trait or probably want to control such kind of a behavior with other perpetrators, I think this is very important to understand from our government as well as the police department, to identify, understand and treat these behaviors with the actions that legally needs to be taken or the punishments needs to be given. But yes, the treatment is something that is mandatory. The person shouldn't be left free with such kind of traits which are not probably very outspoken or probably very much evident, but these are the compulsive traits. At times it comes from strong urge which doesn't have any trigger, which doesn't have any prerequisitions or any reflections, but it comes with a very strong urge of behavior. So yes, this can be treated, maybe not fully, but this can be controlled with the right treatment, right set of treatment. But we need to understand the early signs of it, need to educate the police system, we need to educate the society or probably create an awareness around it, and then make the right decisions to handle such kind of people with keeping a respect of the judiciary system and treatment plans that are being given by the medical conditions and the psychiatric treatment.
After having the in-depth discussion with ma'am, we understood like these type of people need a treatment because this is such a index of crime. Following the Nasrapur case, many people were in a deep question regarding that. Even we have seen the daughter's father had recorded a video and told that till the time my daughter gets justice, no political leader should come at my home. Now we have to see till when the Indian law take time to give a justice to a 3.5-year-old child. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.